Good morning everyone. Previously introduced, my name is Surya Pandega, but you can call me Surya. I'm in the office of Public Appraiser Service, or better known appraisal. I work as valuer and a reviewer. Here I will explain about 1. What is a appraisal? 2. Meaning and purpose of the appraisal. And 3. The appraisal process. Okay, go to straight to the first point.
What is appraiser? Asset appraisal service or appraisal service is a profession that is engaged in conducting assessment professionally and in accordance with the principles of assessment and in accordance with the assessment regulations issued by the association. An asset appraisal consultant or asset appraisal service must master the science of valuation in order to determine the approach, method, and purpose of assessment on an object of assessment. The object of study can be land, buildings, or house, buildings, office, so suppose malls, factories, hotels, as well as complementary facilities or facilities. Machinery, installations, and equipment. Means of transportation or cars, bus, truck, planes, ships, trains, motorcycle, bicycle, heavy equipment or excavators, bulldozers, wheel loaders, track loaders, communication tools, medical device, laboratory equipment, office equipment, military equipment, agriculture, plantation or oil palm, livestock, fisheries, and forestry sectors. Next, second point. Meaning and purpose of appraisal. In general, the purpose of asset valuation is to provide an opinion of the value of the asset. In each assessment process, it requires the service of an independent appraiser or appraisal consultant or appraisal who does not have a conflict of interest from the assessor or asset owner, and also the appraiser must have a appraisal certificate issued by the association, so that the value generation by the assessing consultant is impartial and read and can be responsible for the value opinion issued. There are several objectives of the assessment, including the interest of financial statement, the interest of collateral, the interest for insurance, the interest for selling atau buying, the interest in asset management or asset management. Next, the 3 point.
Appraisal process conducted by asset appraisal consultant. Basically, in conduction and assessment, the assessor will conduct a search for data relating to the object of assessment. For example, in the process valuation of land and residential building, the value issued is the result of the sum between the value of the land and the value of the residential building. To determine the value of the land, you can use transaction data or offers from the sale and purchase of land asset and surrounding residential house, which will be adjusted between the object of assessment and the comparison data for the value of the building using the building costs which are depreciated according to the age of the building and other depreciation factor. To determine method and approach of assessment, it depends on the object of assessment and the purpose of the assessment itself, which will also affect the value opinion issued. In essence, the assessment process is carried out in detail, meticulously and prudently, and is carried out professionally. It can be just annoying doing an assessment, because the assessment must be carried out by a certificate appraiser issued by the association by following various steps of assessment education, which is time consuming and costly, and also under the auspices of the Public Appraisal Service Office (KJPP). I'm sorry, sir. I want to ask, is it necessary to use an asset appraisal service?
Actually, whenever we sell property or buy property, we can require in the service of an appraiser. In appraisal service, residential house or shop house are included in simple property appraisal service. If we want to buy or sell a house, appraisal help us determine the right and reasonable selling price, because they can determine the fair value of a property independently. Often, when selling at home, the price is determined more by market influence and feeling. If we put the price too high, it will be difficult to sell. Meanwhile, if we install too cheap, then we can lose by using the service of an appraiser. We can avoid loss and wait too long in selling property, whether it be land, house, or tangible asset. So, this is the end of my presentation. To end it, I would like to underline: we as an asset appraisal service or asset appraisal consultant who is legal and certified, ready to provide professional and experienced service for region throughout Indonesia. And we are independent and impartial in accordance with applicable regulation. Thank you.